Help! Worry traveler, please help me. Accept my quest and bring me the HP of life. Please, I'm so old. Where are you going? Come back here. Oh, worry traveler, welcome back.
Oh.
Oh, traveler, is that you? It's been a couple years. Where's the potion? Please, my son. My son, please. He can't live without it. He needs it to go to college. He's going to clown school. You go. We go, man.
Wait, what? Wow, what a beautiful forest. So scenic. What the fuck is that? No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. How did I make it out? Oh my god.